Viewers, today latest update from Ethiopia and Tigray clashes. Viewers, the war on Tigray has reached Amhara and Afar regions and returned from Debre Birhan. Now it is impossible to say that the war has stopped, but at least the atmosphere has changed. There is talk of negotiation between the two sides. Surely the war has not stopped for the near future because it is the government that is surrounding Tigray with land and hitting them with air. But the one that has gone behind the war is Diplo. Messi is the talk of the talk. This has made many to lose their eyes on diplomacy. Surely what is being done in this sector? Will the diplomacy bring peace or will the war continue? Viewers on the side of Tigray, as it has been said repeatedly by Tigray, the war is compulsory even before it was necessary to solve the issue peacefully through politics. The federal government is the one that went to war with politics. The law enforcement process should be countered by the propaganda of the people of Tigray. The Tigrayan government that was helping this problem should be solved by Oromo. Trying to solve the Tigray was when he was forced to go to war. He served them in the language they understood and showed them their true colors. When he took them out of Tigray and took them to Debre Birhan, they became invaders. Then we all know the process. The army that was on their way to Addis Ababa has cancelled the trip to Debre Birhan. That they have sacrificed a lot of time to see the night lights of Addis Ababa and return. This shows that the hand that was stretched for peace can be stretched again. The Tigray force has given two chances for a peaceful and political solution, but the opportunity was not given for free but by sacrifice. This the interest of Tigray is to solve the issue politically, but there is no chance for peace by paying a third sacrifice because now the sacrifice has gone deep into the people. Even though there is no one who survived this war, I don't think there is any people who are being hurt by the war as much as the sacrifices the Tigray people are making. The people of Tigray are still surrounded by armies on the left and right. The problem that is creating on the economy is not easily visible. The issue of the aid is in the hands of the donors and is waiting for the federal government. The war has stopped. Prosperity and expansion forces are coming in cooperation with Shabia to preach war, but they are coming back being beaten in action. The Kibiba of the earth is covered by drone strikes. The bullets fired from the air are taking the lives of the displaced people. Therefore, if diplomacy prevails, there is no chance that the war will not continue. The need for prosperity. The need for prosperity is not very clear. This lack for transparency is seen in both statement and structure. The position of the people of prosperity on negotiation and diplomacy is contradictory. The Vice Prime Minister, Mr. Demek Mekonnen, may say that they have put the peace ball in the field of TPLF, but the ball is still in the hands of prosperity. Maybe the ball is in the hands of the ball. Prosperity is on the field. Mr. Demek message showed that prosperity is ready for negotiation. However, there are still people who will post a terrorist label on the organization elected by the people of Tigray and say they will not negotiate. The important thing is whether it is there or their government stand. This confusion of stance has made many people doubt the decision of development as an alternative to peace. I am going to have a good time. From the other issue we have seen as a structure. The development is not a political structure that has one interest. The prosperity force is made up of different forces that have conflict with each other on the issue of Tigray and the country. Let's forget the main development here. Now the power of prosperity is divided by the forces that are within it. The issue of Shabia is destroying TPLF and leading the people of Tigray. Since this force has penetrated the Ethiopian government structure, the impact on the negotiation is not easy. The hopeful Amhara force does not seem to choose peace unless it achieves its goal. Unfortunately, the power of prosperity has fallen into the hands of these elements. It will block the opportunity for peace. If this is the case, it will question the diplomacy. The war should continue. Patience is the key. Whereas the global community efforts are being made by the international community to solve the issue peacefully and diplomatically. Like all diplomatic powers, the interest in the issue is conflicting worldwide. China wants to enter the East Africa. It seems to have changed its economic approach. China that used to say she does not like politics in the past has brought political weapons. Besides business, China that was once Ethiopian and the other time Eritrea is now showing a political determination to the extent of preparing to appoint a special envoy in East Africa. The strengthening of China in the Horn of Africa attract the attention of America, so it will make America to be more closer to the issue. It is clear that America is going to change its special messenger of East Africa. The change is not a policy. It is expected that America will bring a better delegation if Feldman is changed. Even though these countries have their own national interest, the closest solution to Ethiopia is the diplomatic option for most of the Americans. The alternative that America has is to solve the issue through political negotiation and return the country to peace. If this opportunity is closed, the pressure will increase on Abiy Ahmed administration. The economic sanction imposed on the country now are prosperous. Come on in, the administration is already feeling the pain. The pain can continue in different ways whenever the development is disrupted. China does not have the ability to treat this disease. For now, China that claims to be present from Eritrea to Ethiopia does not have ethnic, economic or political power to solve the problem. Therefore, the only way for prosperity is to listen to America that makes it better. It is not because she is a good alternative, but because it is good for the country. Destruction. Even though there are many international hands on the issue, Ethiopians should only restore their peace by themselves. Because Ethiopians are the beneficiaries of people and the victims of war, prosperity should play with it before throwing the ball to someone else. First of all, he should find the ball thrown in his hand, as it was said. Stop the air hitting on Tigray and who is surrounding it. There needs to be a revelation to many, as they say. The country does not have the strength to bear war. It is a country that is on the verge of collapse. The only thing that saves from failure is the political determination to solve the problem. Playing government on media and throwing the peace ball to another field is not good. One thing can be said for sure, but the Tigray force for negotiation, there is no doubt that he is fully equipped and ready for war. So, this is the latest update about it. For more latest report, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.